so today we're going to be playing with the Orbeez Ocean set. So let's open it up.
It's really like...
Here's the bees.
Yeah.
And here's the animals that go in there. I see whales, I see fish, I see sea turtles. I see I see a starfish, I see a lobster, I think. Or is it? Okay. Oh, so this is what we're gonna put it in. This is small. I guess there's not gonna be that many bees after all. Where's the hole at? Wait, is there no hole? Does it just go like this? I think.
Oh, maybe yeah. Is it put in the water? It's
yeah.
Oh, and I'm sorry. What they
Oh,
have
there
a blow
it is.
what? Yeah.
Okay, we got it blown up. So now let's put in the water. I think that's a good amount.
Yeah. And then get
Water.
down there.
The water bees now I got it. Oh. Look at all this. It's a lot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take like this much out to compare it to when after. Oh. Oh, that feels weird. That feels so weird. Can't wait to look at this when they're fully grown. So cute. Whoa. Wow, this is so cool looking. So we're gonna wait. Okay, oh, these already look pretty big.
Yeah, we don't need to put like long time.
Look how big they are compared to the old ones. This is before water, and this is after the water. After a little while in the water. I know they get bigger. I can't. You know, we're just gonna leave that one there.
Okay, little wait.
Yeah. But while we're waiting, let's look at the animals. We have a seahorse. We have a penguin. We have I forgot the name.
Seal.
That's not a seal. That's a walrus.
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 I thought sea lion. Walrus.
I think this is a sea lion. And I never seen a sea lion, but I think that is. We have a squid. We have
This is octopus. Squid. Oh yeah.
and this is octopus, I think.
Octopus, yeah.
We got a sea star. We got an alligator. We got a crab. We got a seal. We got a stingray. We have a turtle. We have a shark. We have, I don't know what kind of whale this is.
You can look at this in the ocean anime guidebook.
Oh yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna try to find it. I don't know which. I think this is a hammerhead whale. I'm not. Oh, or a humberback, or no. I don't know what it is. But in this picture, the swordfish is out in the water. We have an otter. We have another fish. We have a dolphin. Another whale. Another whale. I think this is a whale. A hammerhead shark, swordfish, and a hermit crab. Oh my god. These are already getting big. These are not too
big, yeah.
Yeah, but they're getting really big.
We need more water? No. Is it enough?
I'm not sure. But the white ones look like the white ones look very fuzzy. I'm gonna try to grab a different color. Ooh. They have a little different texture though. Can you see that? It has like a bubbly texture. Well, it's still pretty much the same size, but they're really big compared to these ones here. Holy man. I think we might need a little more water. I'm gonna get a little more water. Because it looks like it might need. Oh yeah, also that looks smaller than we thought.
That was ocean animal. It looks pretty cool. Look, penguin. And then here is dolphin. Blue whale. Swim whale.
I got more water. Oh, that's
Hello whale. A little going down here.
right there. We all went to this side now because we're putting it in the water. Oh, wow. I've never seen real Orbeez like this much. I've seen little bits, but not this much. I wish my little brother kept on taking Orbeez out of the squishies. That's how I seen them before. Okay, so they're all grown now, so yeah. But look at this Orbeez I found. It has like a little tail. That's cool. Oh yeah, I got this from another video. So let's put these in. Shark. We have a whale. Where's the shark? Okay. We have a sea star. We have a stingray. We have octopus. We have a squid. We have a seahorse. We have a walrus. We have a sea turtle. We have a crab. We have a sea lion. Alligator. A seal. Some kind of penguin. Dolphin. Otter. A shark. A fish. A swordfish. A hammerhead shark. Oh, he's got under. A whale. hold on. So I don't know. And we got a hermit crab. So, but look how. So, size comparisons. Nice. Look how big it got from before it was in the water. This is the before and this is the after. It's huge here. And I put, I'm just gonna keep down now, cause now let's put them in. Okay, let's get them all out. Let's find them. Okay, there's none there. Here's one. Here's another one. Oh wow, I'm taking these big Orbeez out as well. Yeah, okay, here's that. Oh, here's one. Oh, I found 3 here. There's a shark. There's a crab and a penguin. I'm taking a lot of Orbeez out by accident. Huh. You think there? Oh, I found more. Any more? I don't. Checking. Oh, found one. Found another one. I don't feel anymore. Okay, I think that's all of them. So I'm just gonna take all these out.
Okay, Nicholas.
Yeah?
Mommy hiding surprise toy in the Orbeez.
Oh,
Can you
did?
find it?
Oh, okay. Oh, I found a train.
Yeah.
Choo
it is
choo.
a train.
Oh, I found another one. I found a slinky. It's a slinky. I found a maze. Oh, I found a watch. A ducky, a rubber ducky. Quack, quack. I found a flying car. Is there more in there?
Of course.
Oh, look what I found. I found a medal. Oh, I found more. Nope, I found a soccer bouncy ball. Oh, I found the camera. I found the camera. We'll see any. Oh, found a skateboard. Yay. Don't see any more. I think there's.
Really?
Oh, I found another. Oh, another one. There has to be more in here. I don't see any more. Is that all of them?
Yes, I think so.
Check. I'm digging. Digging to check. I don't see any of them I don't see any more. Okay, that has to be all of them because I can't find any more. Okay, let's see what I got. I got a zebra car, I got a flying car, I got a train, got a little watch thing, I got a top, got a medal, I got another top, I got a slinky, I got a bunny face, bunny head maze, I got a rubber ducky, I got a camera, I got a skateboard. That seems to be all.
I think. How about the mermaid toy? Where is the mermaid?
Oh, we have this.
Oh yeah.
Whoop. And bloop, bloop. And we also got that. So that was. So these Orbeez are really cool, but we think they need more water. But it looks like they're gonna overflow if we do. So we're gonna put them in a different container.
Okay. How about we have a big container?
Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go get that. Scooping and dumping. Scooping, dumping. Scooping, dumping. Well, we'll definitely know if there's any toys left. Dumping, 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 dumping. Is there any more? I see some. I see some hiding. Got it all. So all this used to be all in here, but now it's all this. So let's put it in the water. More water. I don't think all the waters can travel all the way through. Looks like it's all the water's over here. Yeah, there's not a lot of water. There's not a lot of water over here, but lots over here.
Do you need more water?
Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so they look like they're pretty much done, but almost. But we have more water toys. We have a bigger penguin. Squawk, 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 squawk. Another penguin. We have an alligator. We have some kind of whale that swims, but it doesn't work on the Orbeez or water bees. We have a sea turtle that can't swim in the Orbeez. We have a seal. We have party duck. We have a duck. We have another party duck. We have this. I'm gonna throw everything in here now. All these. Oh yeah, we also have a boat. Move, 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 move. Perfect. There we go. And we also have this tiny frog. Wow. That's a lot. I think we have one more rubber ducky. I'll be right back. I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna look for it. I don't know where it is. I can't find it. It's the one from the Great Wolf Lodge. I don't see anywhere. But at least we have all these. Yeah, we also, oh yeah, I forgot we had this tiny ducky. Quack, quack. Oh, look, it's another one. It's another Orbeez with a tail. Why do most of them have tails? You have a little water in here, in this, so let's pour water. Let's flush this water from the tiny pool we have. This is a tiny pool. It's a pool for babies. That's what it is. Baby pool. I can fit. I fit.
Okay, you are now baby. Baby Nicholas.
Like, it is actually good for a baby pool. It's short and tiny. It's a big pond for this little tiny duck. This is a huger pond. So many, and it's really deep. If you look at the side, you can see. Can you see the ducky? Can you see it? You see the ducky right there, right there. You see it? Hi.
Hello.
The ship is under the water. The speedboat's under the water. Oh. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. So make sure to subscribe, click the bell, and see you guys in the next video. See ya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm gonna walk. Oh.